Okay, everyone. I finally got a mic. I'm actually pretty excited about this. Don't ask me why. And I wanted to share with you what bingo might sound like on the mic. Don't ask me. I'm bored. Bingo. Bingo. Do you smell it? This is your mic now. I'm gonna clip this to your collar that you don't have. You smell it? You see it? You see it? You want to say something to the people? No? Him is tired. Him is so tired right now. The puppy doesn't feel well still, but he's got like a week left on his medicine. We think the medicine is causing him to feel like nauseous, so he's throwing up twice in my bed overnight. And I don't know if it's the eardrops or if it's the actual like pills, but hopefully in a week the boy will be back to his normal self. Bingo. I love you so much. You are the best, most handsome boy in the whole wide world. And hopefully in the next week or so, you'll feel a little bit better. Love you.